Hey guys, how's it going? I have a little project that I picked up, and it is this. This is a Kodak Bantam. If we open up the back here, we can actually see right here, Canada, 1938, which would lead us to believe that this specific model was made in 1938. There's a date down here that says 7/13/1949, and I believe that's probably the purchase date. And then up here on top, it says serviced 7/16/1953. It's been a second since this camera has had some help. You may notice some blemishes right off the bat. As a matter of fact, we'll just look at the back here and you'll notice that this whole back cover is missing, and that's because when I bought it, these little leather pieces this one was peeling off and this one basically fell off. And so among the other things that we're going to do today, we're going to replace all of the little leather pieces on this camera and try to get it looking pretty new.